Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this session, we'll explore how to open our perspective and soften into difficulty rather than blame our experience on others. Begin by settling into a comfortable seated position. Gently root down through your sitting bones and lengthen your spine up through the top of your head. Softly close your eyes and cup your hands in your lap or over your knees. And let your whole body surrender into relaxation. Release tension in your face. Relax your neck, your shoulders, and now direct your awareness to your breath. Take a few deep inhales and exhales. Inhale, filling your lungs completely. Exhale, releasing all the breath out. Now, allow your breathing to return to its natural shape and length. And notice where your breath is the most accessible. You might feel it most strongly as it moves in and out of your nostrils, or as your chest rises and falls. Or maybe it's most strongly felt in the expanding and contracting of your belly. There's no right or wrong here. Wherever you feel your breath most clearly, just rest your attention there. And as you inhale and exhale, notice how your breath feels. Simply noting the sensations of your inhales and exhales. And see if you can set the intention of kindness for yourself with each breath. Even if it feels a bit forced at first, let each inhale and each exhale be infused with affection for yourself. Inevitably, your mind will wander. Remember, this is very normal. So rather than judging yourself, just observe that your mind has wandered off in thought. As you notice yourself getting distracted, you are actually being mindful. You're becoming aware of the distractions. So you can lovingly, kindly bring your awareness back to your breath. Infuse each inhale with kindness. Infuse each exhale with affection. Now, gently soften your attention. Mistakes happen. Disappointments are unavoidable. People will inevitably say or do things that are hurtful. And when something difficult arises, we want to find a reason for what's happening and make sense of it all. In an effort to feel better or to protect ourselves, it's human nature to want to point the finger or blame others. And though it's true that other people may have a role to play in the situation, blaming them or external factors only offers temporary relief. The thing is, blame only leads to more suffering. When we direct responsibility outward, we're actually robbing ourselves of our own power to change our circumstances. Though there is no way to control other people's actions, we can control how we react. The power to change the situation lies solely in our hands. The answer certainly isn't to blame ourselves. Instead, we can use the sense of acceptance we learn through our meditation practice to shift away from all forms of blame and make room for the situation exactly as it is. As we approach it with openness, we can take honest and compassionate responsibility for the situation, taking charge of what to do next. This won't change what happened, but it will give us the power, courage, and determination we need to move forward in a better direction. So, the next time you catch yourself accusing someone or something else for your misfortunes, remember that if you want to change the situation you're in, you are the only one who has the power to do so. As you stop the cycle of blame, you gain wisdom and insight. By taking responsibility for the next steps, you are setting yourself free. There is nowhere to go but forward. Now gently bring your attention back to the room around you. Notice your body in space, and slowly start to move your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you again tomorrow.